Hello everyone, this is Siva from Spoken English Journey YouTube channel. Welcome to all of you in today's video. Today I am going to share with you a very interesting story, and I am sure that you will find this story very interesting and learn something new. So without any delay, let's start. Once upon a time, there was a boy who was very hungry and he had no money to buy anything, to eat anything. So he went riverside in search of fish, and he started searching for fish into the water, and after some time he saw a fish and immediately pounced on it. But soon he left the fish thinking that it's too small to fill his belly, and then he caught another one and found it too small and left it again. This way he caught many small fish and kept leaving them, thinking that these small fish cannot fill his belly. Could not fill his belly. So by sunset, the boy could not catch any big fish, and he became tired, having kept standing for very long. Now he felt sorry for having let off those small fish. And then he realized that those small fish together would have filled up his belly. But now it was too late and he had to remain hungry that day. So what we learned from this story, that a greed can never finish our hunger. Okay, when you get something in your life, little by little you just keep leaving them because you wait for a big one, and this way you get many small opportunities and you just keep leaving them, thinking that these small opportunities cannot bring changes in your life, and at the end time gets over and you could not get anything, and then you feel sorry for having let off those small opportunities which together could have brought changes in your life. So whatever you get in your life, you just try to accept that, you just try to utilize that opportunity, just try to take advantage of that opportunity. Do not just leave them. Okay, so this was for today. I hope you liked it, and I'm sure that you must have learned something from this story. So if you like this video, then click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then click on the subscribe button to get more such English related videos. So thank you so much for watching this video guys. Till then, take care and goodbye.